Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make 3D animated cartoon videos with AI. So if you want to create your own 3D animated cartoon videos without spending months learning animations, this is a step-by-step beginner guide. No Blender, no Maya, no coding. Just AI-powered animations that anyone can use to make cartoons for YouTube, TikTok, or fun projects. So the tools you need is just the AI tool that will generate the character and also the animation. So you can start by opening the AI tool. Here I'm going to use Canva AI. And now you can just write the prompt. So click on this Canva AI button once you open Canva, and then you can just describe the cartoon videos that you want to create. Here, for example, I'm going to go with this prompt: 3D cartoon girl with bright colors, smiling and waving. And now to make it a clip, you can click on this create a video clip options, and then for the style, change it into cartoon. And now, if you want to, you can adjust the aspect ratio, the duration, framing, and lighting. Here for the aspect ratio, I'm going to just go with the default. Durations, add seconds, and the framing. I'm going to just leave it as it is. And now you can just tap on this arrow to generate the result. Just wait. So this might take up to 2 minutes. Let's just wait until the result is out. Okay, so this is the result. Now you can just preview it first by click on this play button, and you can see the result. So it also comes with music, but if you want to change it or you want to edit it more, you can click on this use Canva editor. So in here, you can add text, you can add shapes or everything that you want. You can also add stickers if you want to, or even change the audio. And once you're done, you can just click on share and download the result. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.